What is banana peel fertilizer? Banana peel fertilizer is rich in potassium and magnesium, both of which contribute to stronger stem and plant root growth and improve nutrient distribution. You can add banana peels to an existing compost pile, so then directly into the soil near the plants, or ferment banana peels in water and then use a spray bottle to apply the water to the soil. Why is banana peel fertilizer good for plants? Banana peel fertilizer is an organic fertilizer that can provide nutrients to your garden plants or house plants. A banana peel fertilizer contains many nutrients that contribute to healthy and happy plants, including calcium. This element supports plant growth by helping to break down nutrients in the soil and distributing them throughout the plant system. Magnesium. One of the main contributors to plant photosynthesis, magnesium assists plants with photosynthesis, the process by which plants harness energy from the sun. Phosphorus. This element contributes to healthier plants with strong stems and roots, and it aids the growth of flower blossoms and pollen. Potassium. A vital nutrient for plants, potassium helps plants regulate enzymes and distribute nutrients through their systems. It also encourages new growth and stronger stems. Potassium-loving plants, like tomato plants, can benefit throughout the growing season from a good potassium fertilizer, such as one from banana peels. 4 ways to use banana peels as fertilizer. There are various ways to use banana peels in your garden to help your plants thrive. Consider using one or more of these methods for making banana peel fertilizer. 1. Add banana peels to your compost. Simply throw banana peels in your compost pile or compost bin with other organic materials, such as eggshells and coffee grounds, to create a rich fertilizer. 2. Blend banana peels into a fertilizer slurry. You can run your banana peels under running water or soak them and then blend them in a food processor to make a slurry of nutrients for your plants. Side dress this slurry by burying it in a shallow slot in the soil near the plant. 3. Make a banana peel fertilizer tea. You can make a nutrient-rich and bug-repelling banana peel tea by soaking banana peels in a mason jar filled with water for at least 1 week. Remove the peels and dilute the mixture so it's not quite so acidic, then spray it at the base of your plants. Alternatively, you can steep the peels for up to a month to make a tea that is more acidic for plants that prefer acidic fertilizer, such as blueberries. The banana water acts as a liquid fertilizer or compost tea as well as a pesticide that will help repel garden pests like aphids. 4. Plant the peels directly in the soil to drive away pests. Simply cut up a banana peel into very small pieces and then bury the chopped banana peels beneath the soil and off to the side of the plant. The smaller the banana peel pieces are, the better they will decompose.